Abhyuday Tuition Classes, Class 9 English, Unit 7. Adolescent speaks. Pre-task. There is a poster on the door of Mickey's room. There are some instructions in it. Read them. Rules of my room. No smile, no entry. Don't open my drawer. No comments on my music. My bed. Now add 3 more such instructions of your own, like don't spit anywhere, don't laugh loudly, don't speak loudly, etc. Prepare a poster on rules of my room, paste it on the door of your room. Second, complete this dialogue the best way you can and practice it with your partner. A. This is the room I have to let. B. It looks very nice. A. The rent is 600 rupees per month. B. You have to complete the para. A. No, the electricity charges are not included in the rent. B. You have to fill up the gap. Only breakfast. You will have to go out for the meals. B. You have to complete this line. No, I'm afraid you will have to wash clothes yourself. B. You have to complete this line too. Good. I hope you will be comfortable here. B. You have to finish the last lines. A. Complete the line. Now read the story. Anchor said, "Good evening, friends. Welcome to the video conference arranged by the Youth Club, Ahmedabad. As you know, the subject of the conference is what's the way out. Teenagers of Gujarat would discuss their problems with well-known counselors of the state, Dr. Chandrakant Shah and Mr. Saurabh Bakshi. They will try to show the teenagers the right way. Let's begin the conference with a question from a 15-year-old boy. The boy. Good evening, sirs. I am Jignesh from Talod. Mr. Shah said, Good evening, Jignesh. What's your problem? Tell us. Jignesh. Lack of self-confidence is my problem. It has led me to indecisiveness. I cannot take a quick decision and I feel I waste my time. I prepare a timetable but I can't follow it. How can I build up my confidence? Mr. Bakshi said, In which class are you studying, Jignesh? Jignesh, I am in class 10. Mr. Bakshi said, Tell me, how many days do you plan for Jignesh? Jignesh, I go for monthly planning. Mr. Bakshi, Jignesh, don't plan for a long period. Don't set such a difficult goal to achieve. Be practical. Jignesh, so should I plan for a week, sir? Mr. Bakshi, not even for a week. Plan only for one day and try to follow it. Get habituated to do like this. Jignesh, will it build confidence in me? Mr. Bakshi, certainly. Only a few minutes back, you said you can't follow the timetable and this fact discourages you. Follow your timetable for some days and it will boost your confidence. Jignesh, thank you, sir. Anchor. Jignesh will be confident man. Let's listen to the young lady on the line. The girl. Namaste, sirs. I am Dilshad from Rapar. My face is full of pimples. How can I get rid of them? Mr. Shah. What have you done so far? Dilshad. I have applied various creams but nothing has worked. Mr. Shah. Dilshad, don't worry too much. Pimples are common at this age. They are sure to go. Dilshad. But how? I am tired of applying creams. Mr. Shah. Don't get carried away by the ads. Better consult a skin specialist. Dilshad. Thank you, sir. Anchor. Dr. Shah, here is Antim with a question. Antim. Good evening, sirs. I am Antim from Kavit. Mr. Bakshi and Dr. Shah, good evening. What's your question? Antim. So, can I blood donor acquire HIV? Mr. Bakshi, that's a good question. By the way, student like you cannot donate blood. Antim. I know that, sir. I just want to know. Mr. Bakshi. It's quite safe to donate blood to an HIV patient. The blood donor cannot get infected because the instruments are sterilized. Antim. Thank you, sir. Anchor. You should know AIDS for no AIDS. Before we conclude the conference, let's listen to the Harish problem. Harish. Good evening, sirs. I am Harish from Devgad Baria. I have a habit of chewing gutka. Because of this habit, my teeth are spoiled. I want to get rid of the habit. Please help me. Dr. Shah. In which class do you study, Harish? Harish. Sir, I am in a class 9 student. Dr. Shah. How old is your habit? Harish. About 2 years. Dr. Shah. How often do you chew gutka? Harish. 5-6 times a day. Mr. Bakshi. That's terrible. Now tell me, what are your hobbies? Harish. Reading newspaper, magazines and playing on the tabla. Mr. Bakshi. That's good. Now whenever you feel like chewing gutka, read an interesting news items, articles from a newspaper or play on the tabla. Be with your friends, talk to them, play with them, play some games of your choice. Keep your mind engaged in different activities. I am sure you will be able to get rid of this habit. Harish. Thank you. Anchor. So friends, now it's time to say goodbye. On behalf of the Youth Club, I thank Mr. Bakshi and Dr. Shah for guiding the teenagers. I am also obliged to the boys and girls who trusted us and shared their problems. Again, goodbye and good night. Take care. Glossaries. Counselor means advisor, guide. Conference means meeting for discussion. Self-confidence means self-reliance. Indecisiveness means state of not taking decision easily. Build up means increase. Goal means aim. Realistic means practical, logical. Get habituated means get used to. Depressed means sad or unhappy. Depression means feeling of unhappiness. Boost means uplift, encourage. Absolutely means totally, fully. Pimples, એટલે કે kill. Get rid of means to be free from. Applied means rubbed, treat with. Various means different. Donate means to give forever, give a donation. Get infected means ચેપ લાગવો. Get carried away means get influenced by. Chew means bite, munch, crunch, etc. And spoiled means harmed. Injuries means harmful. Thank you.